Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm your host, Diana.
And I'm Richard. It's great to be with you today.
In today's episode, we are going on a shopping trip. We are in a large clothes shop in Sydney, Australia.
That's right. Shopping for clothes is a great way to practice your English. You can learn many useful words and phrases.
We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand everything. Are you ready? Let's go shopping.
Wow, Diana, this shop is very big.
Yes, it is. Look at all the clothes. I want to find some new dresses and maybe some pants.
Okay, let's find a shop assistant to help us. There is someone over there.
Good idea. Excuse me? I'm looking for ladies' dresses and pants. Where can I find them? Oh, I see. On the second floor. Thank you. And where can I find ladies' pants? Dresses on the second floor, and pants on this floor at the back. Thank you.
Okay, my turn. Excuse me, I am looking for sportswear. Do you have a men's sportswear section? The third floor. Okay, great. Thank you very much.
So, Richard, the pants are here. Let's look for them first.
Sounds like a plan.
Oh, look at these blue pants. They are very nice. I think I will try them on.
They look good.
Richard, could you hold these for me while I look for one more?
Of course, Diana.
Thank you. Okay, now for the dresses on the second floor. There are so many beautiful dresses here. I love this red one. I have to try it on. Could you hold this for me too?
It is very nice.
And this yellow one is perfect for summer. I have to try them both on. Could you hold these for me too?
Sure. My arms are getting a little full, Diana.
You are so helpful. Okay, now we need to find the changing rooms to try these on. Let's ask again. Excuse me, where are the changing rooms? Just over there. Thank you.
Great. Let's go. My arms are getting tired.
Wait, one more question. Excuse me, if I buy something, can I exchange it if it doesn't fit? Yes, within 28 days with the receipt. That's good to know. Thank you. Okay, Richard, to the changing rooms.
So, Diana, I have 2 pairs of pants and 2 dresses for you to try on.
Yes, thank you, Richard.
What about my sportswear? On the third floor.
Oh, no. I completely forgot about your sportswear. I am so sorry.
It's okay. I will just wait here for you with all of your clothes. I don't think I will get to try anything on today.
You are the best shopping partner ever, Richard. While I'm trying these on, can you ask one last question?
What's that?
Can you ask, where is the checkout? I think I'm going to buy all of these if they fit.
And that brings us to the end of our shopping trip. We hope you learned some useful phrases.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Slow Spoken English and learned some useful phrases for your next shopping trip.
Remember, you can listen to the episode again to practice. Repetition is very helpful for learning.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our podcast. It helps us reach more learners like you.
Thank you so much for listening. Cheers, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.